Hi. If you're having trouble finding us, we're very sorry. If not, thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. We're trying to get you to 215 Patriot Parkway in Weymouth, but since there's no buildings there, it's hard to see when you're there. You're either going to enter from Route 18 or from Route 3 and meander your way through Rockland, picking up the Bill Delahunt Parkway. From Route 18, you're going to take Trotter Road, which is on the left, highlighted in yellow. And if you're taking Route 3, you're going to find your way on Bill Delahunt Parkway, which is also highlighted. You're eventually going to get to Patriot Parkway, which is the green area in the middle here. And ultimately, we want you to be right at that blue star. So if you're coming in from Route 18, you're going to pass over the commuter rail tracks. You're going to see these buildings that will be on your left, and you're going to continue to keep those buildings on your left and pass them. And you'll come up on this rotary that you see in front of you. And as soon as you go through that rotary, you're going to go halfway around and stay on Patriot Parkway. We want you to look for a place to park. There's a couple of disabled parking spaces, and then after that, just pull into one of the spaces there and look for us right here on this runway, this taxiway, with the X on it. That's where we're going to meet you. So you can pick any of those parking spaces right on Patriot Parkway, and we'll meet you there. If you're coming in from the other direction, you're not going to see as many buildings. You're going to go through an intersection. That's the Bill Delahunt Parkway and Shea Memorial Drive and Patriot Parkway. That's the intersection you just went through. You're going to stay on this road. And then what we'd encourage you to do is there's usually plenty of parking on the side of the road next to the airfield. So go around the rotary and come back the same way as the people did from Route 18. And you'll see the area that we're going to meet you and bring you to our site. And just take any one of these parking spaces here on the right side. Now, depending on when you arrive, you may see one of our cars out there or one of our employees out there or both. And this is where we check you in. We're going to collect your name. We're going to get your paperwork from you if you brought your waiver. If you didn't, we have copies and we'll make sure we give you one to fill out. And then we're going to go through, answer a couple of questions, make sure that if anybody's coming to pick you up, they know that they're going to meet you here. And we're going to go and get into our vehicle and drive you to the site where we perform the training. And please don't worry if you show up and don't see our car there. We spend the first couple of minutes of each class shuttling people back and forth between our classroom and the area that we have you park. Typically, we'll try to leave an instructor or even a car there, but sometimes, depending on the number of people training or the number of people working, we might not be able to do that. So once you get in the car, we're going to drive you over to our site at a much slower rate of speed than you saw there. And you get into our classroom, get a chance to get settled, and we'll go through some of the important information we need to do before we actually get you out there driving. Once the first group is settled inside the classroom, that instructor will return back to the street and pick up any other students who are waiting to join us for our course. So we hope this video helped you find us okay, and we're very excited to train with you soon. Thank you.